Hi, my name is Brant with FIU Bikes, and we're here at the Green Library. Every Wednesday we have a program where we fix bikes for free for students and employees alike at FIU. What we have here is a common repair that we run into, which is a flat tire, and we're going to go through how to fix a flat tire. The first thing you want to do is undo the brakes in the back so that it's easy for you to remove the tire. Some bikes have these derailleur guards. In order to remove the wheel, you must unscrew this first. Otherwise, you won't be able to access this nut right here. And use the 15mm side to undo the nut. Now next, what you want to do is remove the tire. Then you can use a standard tire lever or your fingers if you prefer to remove the tire. And not all tires are this easy, but most of them are. So today's my lucky day. Here's the tube that I'm going to use. I already know that this tire is between 1.9 and 2.35 inches, so I'm using the appropriate size. Before we put it on, we have to pump it up a little so that it will be easier to put it in the wheel. Not too much, just so that it takes up its shape. Put the valve in the hole, and when it comes out on the other side, you pull it down, and then proceed by pushing the tire into the rim. There are some occasions where you might need a tire lever to put it back in, but for this one, it's not necessary. Pump it up to 40, which is good for a typical mountain bike like this. Proceed by putting the whole tire back onto the bicycle. Doesn't matter what gear you put it on because it's going to adjust itself afterwards. And you tighten the other side. And sometimes when you tighten the wheel, if you don't do it properly, you'll be able to see at this point because the tire is closer to one side than the other. But here it's right in the center, so that means I've tightened it correctly. So the last step would be to reapply the brakes. Okay. And we're done. So that's one of the repairs that we do here every Wednesday at the library. We're here from 11 to 2, and we're also looking for volunteers to help with some of the repairs that we do. So if you're interested, just swing by. And if you have a repair that you need to have done, just swing by also and we'll be able to help you. Check out our website for more details.